Wow, the feedback is crazy. Wow, I just want to keep playing it. Can you see the smile on my face? Here I have some fantastic new kit from Fanatec. This is the CSL DD, a direct drive wheel from Fanatec that promises to deliver the performance of a $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 racing wheel for like $400. $500. That's insane. Let's check it out. Every driver has their limit. Yeah, that's definitely for sure. My limit is further than others. Oh, this is like a flex thing here. Go away, Riley. Okay, we got the manual in the box. Oh, it's a quick guide. Presumably to mount the thing and plug the stuff in. We don't need that. We got some stickers. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Andy, do you want a sticker? Here, give me your forehead. Thanks, Andy. Wow, look at this. This is actually really smart. They put holes in the cardboard. Pretty cool. Yeah. There's probably stuff in the box, I reckon. I think these are for if you have a racing wheel stand, you would slide these into like the grooves in this metal housing and then thread the bolts into there. So we won't need those. We have, oh, look at that. Type C. Wow. Throw the box away. This thing is chunky. Oh. Oh. Wow, it's really heavy. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, they didn't put holes on the other side. That's it. That's all that's in the box. This is impressive. This totally makes sense. I mean, what you have is a giant aluminum housing here, and then inside, the motor in here is gonna be basically just a ton of copper. So the fact that this is really heavy makes sense. Oh, we gotta, wow, that scale is terrible. Why would anybody want that? Ooh. 11 pounds, wow. It is, like I said before, a really nice machined aluminum housing. It looks like it sort of splits off in the back. You could probably take this apart. Should we take this apart? No, really? Oh, they're just hex. Oh, we're totally taking this apart. Jono, we must. There's not really any moving parts. Like this shaft should just be held in the motor magnetically, and the rest of it should just be like electronics and crap. So yeah, we're totally taking this apart. Oh, it's got some torque. Oh, this is plastic. Oh, interesting. Yeah, okay, so the ends are plastic, but the main housing is definitely still aluminum. Oh my God. You ready, Brandon? Oh no, we can't see anything. Damn it. It's all hidden. Oh. No, I can't. But look at that machining. Oh, so nice. Is this a type of aluminum extrusion? Somebody in the comments let me know. Anyways, so if we could see inside, we're gonna show you some screenshots from their website. You would see the star of this show, which is the custom-built direct drive motor they made specifically for this unit. Now, if you don't know anything about steering wheels, there's a couple different types. You can either get a direct drive, you can get a belt-driven, or you can get a gear-driven. And now typically for budget wheels, which, I mean, can be anywhere from like $100 to $500, which is sort of your budget to mid-range category. You're gonna see a lot of belt-driven and gear-driven. And basically what those have is a much smaller motor, which will then use gearing or a belts ratio to increase the torque. But on a direct drive, you have none of that belt and none of that gear. That means there's gonna be a lot less play and you're gonna get way more accurate feedback. And in the case of this unit, we're also gonna get a lot more powerful feedback. Now the wheel I usually use at home is a Thrustmaster T300. I'm not like a crazy expensive baller sim racer. And that guy, I think, outputs around 3.9 Newton meters of torque, whereas this unit with the optional boost pack will do 8 Newton meters, which is double. That's a lot of torque. Okay, so a bit of a correction here. It turns out this is just the regular power supply. It's a 90 watt unit, and then the boost pack is 180 watts. We don't have that one, unfortunately, but we will at least get to experience it in 5 Newton meter mode. Okay, let's put this thing back together though. I don't know if you can read this. As part of our standard QC process, this wheelbase has passed a Durability test, which causes slight marks on the quick release surface. This product wears the marks with pride. Oh, that's cute. Before connecting the wheelbase to your PC, please install the latest Fanatec driver. Then update the wheelbase firmware. Okay, we can do that. Let's try mounting it to the desk first. Oh, this sticker is terrible. Oh no. Fanatec, why? The goo is coming off, it's just a lot of paper. You got a knife? I'll use this plug, see how this goes. Cool, that worked. All right, this worked, I'm good. So I think I need to affix this before I can quick release, but maybe not. I mean, does this have a quick release on it right now? I think I'll read the manual. It's probably a safe bet. Cool, this is useless. It says nothing about the steering wheel. Nice, sweet. You know, it's always weird to unbox a steering wheel. You're like, this should be in a car. It does have flappy paddles. They feel like garbage, but this guy goes on here and then it clips onto this, I'm pretty sure. Ooh. Remove with care. Oh yeah. This one's plastic. Like it's a plasticky material that like doesn't rip. How do I? Huh? Oh, I see. Cool. That's like the electrical connectors for like the buttons and stuff. This in here. It's backwards. There we go. Oh, nice. Wow, this is a lot of setup, Fanatec. I like that they use Loctite. This is nice. All right, I'm done. Cool. All right, so we got our quick release hub attached. Oh, there we go. Ah, wow. Nice. Now just one more thing to do. It is a substantial amount of stuff to do. I am not denying in any way, shape, or form that this is a quick setup process.
Is this worth it for one category of game?
Well, it depends how much you play one category of game. Because it is so much better when you want to play a racing game. So I think that has to go in there. This guy definitely goes into here, and this will be under the table. And then I think we get this guy to go on there for extra torque. It's like it's the boost kit, but for this handle. And then, now, there we go. Oh, it's so heavy. LTTstore.com. Oh, that is jank. I mean, I can tighten it a lot more. I'm worried this IKEA table is gonna like crush itself or break some of this plastic. Okay, yeah, that's totally fine.
Is there pedals?
Yes, there's pedals. Oh, we haven't even done that yet. Oh, please tell me the pedals don't have to be put together. Whoa. Oh, that's got a little spongy. See a little sponge in there? I get it. The reason there are so many pieces is so you can customize it. If I put it like this though, is it gonna wobble? Like maybe I just have to move them over and ignore the fact that we have a clutch pedal. I have experienced the reason that you're not supposed to drive with flip-flops. And I go to press the brake as I'm going around the corner, like in the parking garage, and my foot slipped off and then my flip-flop got stuck behind the pedal so I couldn't press it. And I ended up like scraping my bumper against the wall. Okay. We got gas, we got brake, species brake. I guess it's time to go set this up on our computer, but not before I tell you about our sponsor, Private Internet Access. Private Internet Access is a VPN that allows you to access services and websites as if you're in a different country. Not only that, but PIA encrypts all of your internet traffic and uses a safe protected IP. And you can connect up to 10 devices at once with clients for Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. Whew! So check it out at the link in the description, and you can get a 1-year plan for only $39.95. I got the wheel and the pedals plugged in and hooked up, and we actually had to update the firmware on both the steering wheel itself, which is kind of crazy, and the motor. And we've loaded up Assetto Corsa, which is usually my preferred game of choice. It's got presets, but they never really work, so we kind of have to set this up manually. There's our steering axis. brake. Press that. Needs to be inverted. Specifically, I wanted to import the car that I own right now, which is an E60 M5, and we're gonna do it on the Nordschleife and see how that goes. Oh yeah, oh wow. The force feedback is, oh, this almost feels like a real car. Oh man, the pedals are too close together. The force feedback is incredible, and this is not even with the boost kit. That's crazy. What is that number? Is that miles per hour? Oh, I'm gonna go in the dirt. I'm going in the dirt. I'm going in the dirt. Wow, the feedback is crazy. Oh boy, I'm going way too fast. Oh, come on, baby. No. Oh man. Whoa, the steering is not, you see that's not right. I think I have some misconfigured here. There's so much feedback in this wheel, it's shaking the whole desk. Oh, these pedals, look at this. There we go, that's proper. Now I have no excuses for sucking. Oh boy. I should have picked an easier car, this thing's a boat. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh man, I definitely started to get the hang of it a little bit more there, but wow, that's, I've never actually played on a direct drive wheel, and the sharpness and the aggressiveness of the feedback is unlike anything I've played before. Like, this is so much better. And when you consider the marginal increase over like a high-end belt-driven wheel, or a good belt-driven wheel like a Thrustmaster T300, this is so much better. And we don't even have the boost pack. Holy crap. Wow, I just want to keep playing it. Can you see the smile on my face? Oh my God. The pedals feel good, it's just, they're not mounted to anything, so they're kind of flopping around everywhere. I'm impressed. Good job, Fanatec. I'm genuinely impressed. Should we get somebody else to try it? Andy's a drift guy.
Wow.
Forgot. It's 500 horsepower.
Oh my God, this steering wheel feels so good.
Ooh.
Understeer. This car sucks.
Do you want a different car really quick?
Sure.
I give you a Porsche or something. You're just pegging it at red line. Oh, this car's fast. Does it feel like it handles better?
Oh yeah.
Definitely a little, oh, you're going a little fast. But it recovers so easily, wow.
Yeah.
So compared to like the Logitech wheel you were using before, what do you think?
This thing is like 100% improvement. This feels like driving a real car.
I want your out of 10.
The
Have
only
you
thing-
tried anything better than this?
No.
Okay.
So-
I
I gave you like 9.5. The 0.5 is because it doesn't really have a clutch.
Well, we
And-
can add a clutch.
But yeah, for this setup, 9.5.
Yeah. Okay. All right, well, there you have it. Clearly, this is a fantastic product. I mean, I still have a shitting grin on my face, and I'm not even driving. I don't think that speaks for it enough. So maybe check out my short circuit that I did on the flight sim setup, which was pretty fun. I think, Andy, did you fly in that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he flew in that. We didn't
Off
get
camera.
didn't get to the office. He wasn't
I
in
did.
the video. Oh, you
I
did?
did.
Yeah,
Like off camera though.
it wasn't in the video. Doesn't matter. Didn't happen. Get subscribed and maybe leave a like if you like this video.